Hello kids, welcome to Abc123 Magical Learning. Kids, today we will learn numbers 1 to 20. We will find the missing number and write them in the boxes. Kids, first we will learn name of the colors. These are the color kids. This is red color. Which color? Red color. Dark pink color. This is dark pink color. This is yellow color. This is orange color. This is dark green color. Sky blue color. Which color? This is black color. This is pink color. Kids, now let's find the missing numbers. First number is which number? Number 1. 1. Next is number 2. This is number 2. Which number? Number 2. Next, which number is missing, kids? Tell me. Next is 3. Number 3. This is number 3. Next number is 4. This is number 4. Which number is this? Number 4. Next is, which number is missing? Number 5. This is number 5. Next is, which number? Next is 6. This is number 6. Which number is this? Number 6. Then next number is, see me, which number is next? Number 7. Good. This is number 7. Next is number 8. This is number 8. Which number is this? Number 8. After 8, which number is missing, kids? Say me, number 9. Good. Number 9. Next is, which number is next? Number 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. Which number is next? Number 11. 1, 11. Next is number 12. 1, 2, 12. Next number is, which number is next? Tell me. Number 13. Good. 1, 3, 13. Next is number 14. 1, 4, 14. Which number is this? Number 14. Next is number 15. Which number? Number 15. 1, 5, 15. Number 15. Next is number 16. Which number is this? Number 16. 1, 6, 16. Number 16. Next is, which number is next? Tell me. Number 17. 1, 7, 17. Next is which number? Number 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Next number is, which number is next? Number 19. 1, 9, 19. Next is, which number? Tell me kids. 20. Good. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Kids, today we have learned numbers 1 to 20 with different colors. Kids, repeat once again with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.